Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing Anker Power Bank 548 or Power Reserve 192 watt hour. This is a 60,000 milliamp portable charger. I got this from Amazon on sale for $90. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this power bank out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is Anker's Power Bank 548. This is the #1 leading charging brand. Let's go ahead and take a look around the box. On this side of the box here, this is from the Series 5 lineup from Anker. This is a super simple box. Same thing on this side of the box. And that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here it is. Here is the back side of the box. Here is the description from Anker. This is the choice of 80 million users. You can fast charge via, and this has a 3-year warranty. Here is the model number, Anker 548 Power Bank PowerCore Reserve 192 watt hour. And here's all the legal information that is on the box. And yeah, so super simple presentation from Anker. And that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's go ahead and pull up the seal and lift up what we have inside. And yeah, so a super simple unboxing, nothing that is too fancy here. Here, the first thing that we will see is a safety sheet. And this does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and remove the protective padding here. And here we have the Anker 548 Power Bank Power Reserve. However, Anker wants to call this. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at this portable power bank. But here's the safety sheet. In case you are wondering what this is, you can always scan the QR code to learn more, and you can always get some support from Anker. Here is the USB-C to USB-C cable from Anker that comes with in order to charge your power bank device. And now let's take a look at the power bank itself. So really love the minimalistic branding from Anker. Really love Anker products, and this is no exception. Let's go ahead and remove the screen protector. If I can, oh well. I guess it's a good thing to have a screen protector, but you can see that I tried pulling off the tab, but no. But let's go ahead and turn on the LED display here. You can get a sense of how much power is inside of this power bank. Here you have your light button, your SOS button. You have your port for your portable solar panels. You have 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-A ports. Here's a closer look at the ports. You have 1 USB-C. You have 2 USB-C. You would charge your power bank on the second USB-C port. Here's the bottom side, which is all padded. Here's on the right side. Really like how this has vents, and this has a emergency locator glow strip. And yeah, so here's the back side and the other side. And yeah, so super high quality feel. Really love the strap. And yeah, so this is gonna last you a long time. So let's go ahead and test out the lighting from this power bank. This is ideal for a power outage for at least for one night or an outdoor camp out. And here is how bright this power bank can get the light from it. Here's your SOS feature. So in case you're out camping and you are lost and need to have somebody find you, you have that feature. And yeah, so I really like how the info, the display displays some information. So just check how much power you have left. Let's go ahead and turn off the lights and see how bright this is. And as you can see, this isn't just bright, it is super bright. Like I said, this is an ideal power bank for one of those nights that power outages, one night or 2 nights. This could charge your portable devices. Here you have the SOS feature. Really love the SOS feature. Or you can take this out to camping, and this would last you 1 night or 2 nights, whether you have no source of power. So yeah. So speaking of power outages, it's good to have a flashlight. I picked up this LC90 from Anker, so we're gonna try out this flashlight. Here, this is charged by it has a portable battery inside, and it is charged by a cable, so no need to take out the battery, put in the thing. For this particular flashlight, all you need is to plug in the cable, unscrew the top cap, and charge it. So let's go ahead and take this out. This is these two products are perfect for power outages. I'm not saying that this is going to replace a generator, but this is designed for one of those days or nights, especially at night when you have no power at your house. And this is a safe bet to keep your portable devices charged well at night, especially when it comes to natural disasters. And it doesn't have to be like power outages, but it can also be like if you're going out camping. This is the ideal way to stay charged. So here's a closer look at the flashlight, built by Anker. And let's go ahead and see if this has some juice to it. Oh my god, it is super bright, as you can see here. And yeah, and you can adjust the size of the light by so this telescope design that can enlarge the light. So all you have in order to charge the flashlight, all you got to do is unscrew the top, and here you can see the port. Unfortunately, it's one of those. It's not a USB-C port, but it is a micro USB port. Unfortunately, but it does come with a cable, like I am pulling out here. And let's go ahead and charge the device using this power bank, portable power charger or charging station. So once you have the other end plugged in, this is how you would plug it in. This is what I don't like about micro USB. You have to match one side of the thing to match the other side. And it does come with an LED indicator light to let you know that is charging. And yeah, so you can see the information on the battery here on how much output is going out of the power bank. And yeah, so that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will definitely see you on the next one.